Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm replacing a bulb from my projector, taking it out of another projector and putting it into this one. The bulb is over on the chair there, so I got to unscrew. You have to unscrew this that's under this paper and screw this one to do it. So I'm gonna unscrew it, then I'm gonna show you what other screws you have to unscrew. So you have to unscrew this one, this one, and this one, and this one to get this light out of here, this lamp. So let me go ahead and unscrew it. So now I got to lift this out, see if I can. Hold on. Got that. Let's see, will it lift out? Nope, it's still screwed in. Hold on. Okay, so I popped it out. Now you got to lift this easily. See. Okay, so there it is. So now it comes out, but the thing is, you gotta try to get this lamp out of here. See, different ways. So I gotta try to get this lamp out of here. Be careful with it. Okay, now I messed up a little tiny bit. I'm gonna have to screw this back onto the lamp and then put it back in. Because the screws, I end up taking it off to mount the lamp. So we got to put this back on there. Oops. So that's what we gotta do, and then we gotta put it back in. Now let me show you something. You can't see it, but then you have to connect it right there. So the lamp can cut on right there, because there's a connector right there. So that's what you got to do. Okay, so it's screwed back on. I put it back on because you have to keep this mounted to the lamp. So now you just put it back in and screw it back in. You have these two side screws, like I showed you, and a hookup. These two, this screw and this screw. This screw, hold on. Like I say, now I got to replace this one, so gotta take this. This comes out of, this is the one that's completely gone. And then put the other one in. So let me do that now. Okay, so now we put this one in. Now look, like I said, when you buy like a new lamp, you gotta mount it to this plastic hard thing right here. Because that's what you have these two screws for, to mount it onto this part plastic. Now I have to slide this in, if I can, without problem. There it goes. Stuck a little bit. Oh, there it goes. And there it goes. It's plugged in. Because it plugs in right here to the side. Now I got to screw these screws in right here. This is an Optoma Tx542. I always get the number mixed up though. So this is what I'm installing. But I got to buy a brand new lamp from Amazon. To, so I'm gonna buy a new lamp. Brand completely new lamp. But I just need one brushed in that has still some more hours on it and transfer it over to another. So that's what I'm doing. Now put these two screws back in and tighten it up. That's what I got to do. Okay, so the lamp is working, like I say, but it only has like 2,000 hours left, so I'm trying to burn it out and then buy a new one. Hold on. The projector is running. They're smoking here though, so it's in there. So now just trying to burn out the 2,000 that's left on it and then go buy a new one and stuff. So yep, that was the install of it.